everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Sumantech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is elif keyword of Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python elif keyword. So elif is a keyword of Python programming language. So now we'll discuss about the example of elif keyword. So the example of elif keyword is as, first of all I have taken a value and after that I am putting these values into a variable. Suppose my first variable is A and the second one is B. So now I will go to the if conditional statement in which I am asking that if my A value is greater than B, then print. I am using your print function in which I am asking if this is true condition, then print that A is greater. Suppose if this condition is not true, so we'll check here 10 is, so this is our statement, so this is false because this is equal to, so this is false, it will check the second condition. So now we'll use the elif keyword here in which I am asking that if my A value is equals to the value of B, then print that is, so I'll use a print function in which I am asking that A is equal to the value of B. So if this condition is true, then this will be executed. So we'll check here, A value is 10 and the B's value is also 10. So it is equals to, so this condition is true. So the output will be A is equals to B. So if it is some correction, so if I do here 100, so this is also false, so then nothing will be executed. So in this way we can use the elif keyword in the Python programming language.
So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is elif keyword. So we are taking the first variable that is A and the value is 10. So the next keyword is B and the value is 10. So now we'll put the if and elif keyword statements. So now in if statement we are asking that if my A's value is less than B, so print the function that is B is greater than A. So this is false, so nothing is been printed. So the second line is elif keyword A is equals to B, so this is true, so it states the value that is A and B are equal. So in this way we can use the elif keyword in the Python programming language.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.